guys, welcome back to my channel. I got a new recipe for you guys today, but I just kind of wanted to update you guys a little bit about my YouTube channel. I know I haven't been on here and I haven't uploaded anything in a while. Just been busy with life, work, etc. But yeah, I'm gonna be more consistent now. Got some great ideas for you guys to check out some videos and stuff. So keep following, and I'll be pumping out more videos for you guys. And but I'm back, so it's pretty cool. I'm excited. But today's dish is a famous, popular Thai dish called ka-prao. Sorry for my accent, or basil stir fry or stir fry basil pork. This dish is super popular. If you think pad Thai is a popular Thai dish, in Thailand this dish is the most popular. They say that Thai people, when they're hungry and they don't know what they want to eat, they would automatically pick this dish without even thinking about it. That's how popular it is. So it's pretty simple. Some couple steps you got to prep up, but really easy to do and really delicious and very cheap as well. So let's get started and get going. First things first, we're gonna make a paste out of the vegetables. We got about 6 cloves of garlic, 6 to 7 Thai chili peppers, 6 to 7 Thai chili peppers for me. I like spicy. If you don't, add less. Okay. We have a mortar and pestle here. If you don't have one, you can definitely dice it up, mince it up, but this is a traditional way, and this releases the juices a lot better. Make sure you keep the peppers whole, because then you get a better visual, better you can see the peppers instead of it being small. So pound away. I think it's over, you think? Time to make the sauce now. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Half tablespoon of thin soy sauce. Half tablespoon of dark soy sauce. One tablespoon of oyster sauce. And then we mix. All right, let's get cooking. 3 tablespoons of oil. Paste. Eight ounces of pork. So as you break it up, sauce.
A few moments later.
Heat off. Thai basil, optional. Substitute holy basil and Italian basil work best, but very hard to get, so get Thai basil. And lime leaf, optional. I like it. I just like the flavor, but most people don't do it. And okay, time to plate up. White rice. How easy was that, guys? Pretty simple, right? The best part's coming. It's time to eat. Cracked egg. Oh, look. Oh, jeez. Look at that. Ready, one bite, guys. Let's go. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Wow. Mm. 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 I'm not playing around. You get that herbiness from the basil. Really helps cut the fattiness of the pork. Then you got the sauce, the umami flavor, a little bit of sweetness, a good spiciness kick. Then the egg yolk helps with the fattiness of the pork as well, and just all mixes perfectly together. Wow. I mean, this hits all flavors of what Thai cooking is. But definitely give it a try out, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Like I said, more content's coming out. And please follow me and comment below if you tried this recipe and you like it. Take care, guys. Peace.